When cleaning exterior windows, it's vital to make sure you have the right water for the job. If working exclusively in a soft water area, opting for a soft water cleaning system is a more cost-effective and convenient solution. For window cleaning in soft water areas, our solutions of a Streamflo 25-litre trolley system and a Streamflo 120-litre portable barrow system. Perfect for use on offices, schools and domestic households, the Streamflo 25-litre trolley provides the perfect balance of sturdy and portable, while the 120-litre barrow system provides virtually endless cleaning potential. Both feature heavy-duty tyres allowing for transportation over any surface, and a durable steel frame ensuring no unexpected movements in cases of wind or uneven terrain. A removable long-lasting battery means no mains power supply is required, which, when combined with our over 8-pole at a length of your choosing and our instantly identifiable high-vis hose, means you'll be sure you can travel any distance and reach heights of up to 60 feet. Talk to Streamline today and find out if a Streamflo 25-litre trolley kit or the 120-litre barrow system are the solutions you need.